best life here today. We're making all our dreams come true. Why don't you come along with me? Cause I love spending time with you, with you, with you. Spending time with you. Hey dreamers! So this one is going to be linguine, meatballs, and my favorite beans. This one is green on beans. So that's what we're gonna make. So first we're gonna boil the water for the macaroni, the linguine. So I'm filling the water and I'm putting it on. I know I look crazy, but I'm in my house cooking. You want me to look cute in my house cooking? Do you think I'm a chef or something with a cooking show? No. So I look crazy and you just gonna have to deal with it. But yeah, so when the water is boiling, we're gonna put in our oil, our salt, and our linguine. But before that, let's get ready for the beans and the meatballs. So I'm gonna show you how I make it, how I like it, and if you want, you can try it too. If you don't like it, then go on with your life. Okay? Probably cut up the onions wrong, because like I said, I'm not a chef. I don't know how to do these things. I just wing it. So this is how I do it. I cut off the ends like that. Right? And then I do this down the middle. So I'm only making one kind of beans because I'm the only person that likes beans. So this will be for my beans. And then for my meatballs, I'm going to take a piece of this thing. And put that for the meatballs. Okay, so beans, meatballs. Okay, got it? Cool. And then we put our pot. Then in your pot, you put it on, and then get your sauce for the meatballs. And I just use pasta sauce, tomato sauce, or whatever. So you open that up. Turn. I might need another one. Yeah, I'm gonna need another one. But I'll just like, don't waste nothing. Put some water in there to get the extra. So I put the sauce in here, and I'm gonna put, oh, wrong sauce. I'm not a professional. So I open my sauce. Just like this. And then put it in here. And we get the extras. And put it in there. So there we go. Our sauce is doing that. We're just gonna cover it so it to heat up. And then when it heats up, we're gonna put our onions for the meatballs. And then for beans, we're gonna need I'll do it in the frying pan. do it in this pot. Okay, can you see? Yes, you can see. How beautiful. Then I just get a little bit of oil. I use vegetable oil because it's just there. It's not boiling enough for the pasta. So we just want a tiny bit of oil. That out. And I like to pour the oil first so it just heats up, and then I'm not like putting oil in a hot pan. I'm weird. So you're just gonna let that heat up. I usually like to put like peppers and stuff in my beans and my meatballs, but I don't have any. I just have onion and garlic powder. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then I have like all my seasoning and my spices and all of that. So it'll be fine. Okay, cool. So let that thing up there. In the meantime, I'll break up my linguine. I hope I'm showing everything. I'm gonna break up my linguine to put in there. Oh wait, it's almost ready, so hold on. Okay, so the water's doing. Nope, I want it to bubble. Like if it's boiling, it should be bubbling. If it's not bubbling, then forget about it. But yeah, I make the whole thing of linguine, and yeah, I'll open this in the meantime. And drain it. Yeah, see, a bean is kind of like in water, and I don't like that, so I drain it and rinse it because the oil is ready. Let me put in this. So that's bubbling. I'm gonna put my salt. A little salt, and then the oil. Just like a little bit so it doesn't stick to the pan. And we have this thing doing its thing. So it's hot, so I'm gonna hurry up. I'm having a panic attack. I'll just put the onions in here so that it can stop having a panic attack. I'm getting all smoky. You see how much smoke that is? We'll take the fire all the way down. So that's just gonna do that. And then linguine. Put the linguine in there. Linguine. Put your linguine in the pot. So we're going to turn it down, right? And we're just going to put in the meatballs. Lots of smoke in here. Lots of smoke, so I put on the fan. I have a small kitchen, so it gets really smoky really quickly. So just put the meatballs. Just now. This thing is basically ready. So with the bean stuff, I have to rinse my beans. It's really quick because it's just a tiny bit. It's just for me. I'm just gonna put it in here. It's already cooked. You're just heating it up, basically. But yeah, just turn on the fire a little bit and season it. So let me take that off. So black pepper. Lots of black pepper. Seasoning salt, just a tiny bit. My favorite, parsley. I want plenty of that. And side. Oh, I'll show you. Parsley, side. All-purpose seasoning. Whoa! A little barbecue spice. A little tiny bit of cinnamon. Whoa. Right, that's my little tiny bit. And then you mix it up together. I'm going to turn this off. Garlic powder, where is it? Yes, it's dry. That's how I like it, unless I don't have a sauce. And this has sauce. So it's basically just seasoned beef, if you think about it. And now for the meatballs. I think I'm crazy. Just give me them babies. So we can turn off the meatballs and put in our onions. Right? Mix it in. And now time for the seasoning process. So plenty black pepper. A little bit of seasoning salt. Plenty parsley. Maybe not that much, but it's fine. Basil. A little bit of ginger powder. It's like to splatter, and I hate that so much. Thyme. I just like to put all these seasonings. Like, I just put everything. Everything, baby, everything. Okay. What did I forget? My garlic powder. And then that's it. You know, I don't put a lot of salt in my stuff. Mostly because my taste buds are easily satisfied. One, and two, my family's like sensitive to salt. All of this is made for them. Per se. But yeah, it's very smoky in here, but I'm just mixing up the sauce with the meatballs. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave that to be. Ow! It's splattered my foot. Need that to be whole and I'm just gonna down because it's really body. I'm burning people. Just stay there. And that over there is very smoky. And the beans that are so long I'm taking. Wow. This is what we finished. Yeah, it feels like it. So I'm a strainer. Okay, so linguine done, beans done, and yeah, linguine. Can you see it? Oh no, the lighting is going crazy. I think that's it, basically. Yep, we're done. So I have my plate. I'm just gonna take out some stuff. This is my vegetable. And so I'm gonna have my linguine in here. And my beans and my meatballs. Yeah. Okay. So I have my linguine. Okay, I think I did this. Right. I have my linguine, and then I'm gonna put beans. So I have my linguine and I have my beans, and now I'm gonna put some meatballs. So we're gonna take that off. Fun. And this spoon to get meatball out. So one meatball, two meatballs, I just threw meatballs, right? And the sauce all over. So there you go. Linguine meatball situation. There you go. Oops. Nope, we're messing that up. Okay. Okay. I'm eating it. And it tastes really good. Really, really good.